take it to your home or to your hotel.
Riwruok mar jochiw thieth manie bwo riwruok mar Kenya Clinical Officers chako ng'anyo margi e otieno ma kawuono kendo chakre kiny ok gibi bedo e ute thieth duto ma pachoka ma oyang kod jatend riwruogno mokoni piny owacho osechayo keto e tim dwaro magi kama oriwo twak ewi ogirimiti mar tich manyien. Bende giseyo riwruok mar governors magikoni dwani kaunti ka kaunti otim winjruok kod jochiw thieth mage.
As clinical officers, we have to declare the start of our industrial action in the fashion of a national strike. The 4 weeks that we have given the ministry, they have actually not taken any action that would be deemed to be serious towards provision of solutions that would sort the issues that we give to them.
We had the other day the Council of Governors chair saying that we go down and negotiate with the counties on matters CBA. They cannot tell the healthcare workers to go and negotiate with the county. And then I dare ask, if indeed this was to happen, that every county can give can negotiate their own CBA, will we be having 48 types of CBA, which is a policy document that will cause disruption in this sector?
Yeah, kuna mwajonga na the